Welcome to our channel today. With vacuums ranging from under $50 to well over $1,500, and in configurations from a slim stick to a beefy canister, it can be difficult to figure out what's right for your home. The performance of cordless stick vacuums continues to get even better, though based on our exclusive member survey, reliability remains a concern. Robotic vacuums have also become more capable cleaners, and their prices keep dropping, making them worth a look too. But while these convenient contenders may deserve a spot in your cleaning arsenal, they still can't replace your trusty upright or canister, according to Consumer Reports vacuum tests. For some people, it might make sense to have multiple vacuums for different situations, says Frank Rizzi, a senior lab technician who tests vacuums at CR. A robotic vacuum can help with maintaining your pristine floors, and a stick can help with quick messes alongside your bigger upright or canister. The overall score for each model incorporates results for each of these tests as well as ratings for predicted reliability and owner satisfaction, which are based on our survey data, about 104,175 upright canister and stick vacuums that CR members purchased between 2011 and 2021. Before we continue, please click on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we make a new video for you. Number 10 is a bagged upright. It's the Kenmore Elite Pet-Friendly 31150. The mid-priced Kenmore Elite Pet-Friendly 31150 earns top marks on bare floors and scores well for tool airflow. That means it's exceptionally powerful when used with its attachments, which include a crevice tool, bristle brush, and power roller. On bare floors, it captures almost every particle, keeping debris contained in its disposable bag. It's no slouch at removing embedded dirt from carpet or tackling pet hair either, although it's a little louder and tougher to handle than some bagged uprights. It's not the cheapest model you'll find, but this impressive performer is certainly among the best vacuums we've tested. Kenmore uprights received middling scores for predicted reliability and owner satisfaction. Number 9 is a bagless upright. It's the Shark Navigator powered Lіft-Awau NV586 from Target. A Target exclusive, this Shark Navigator has a 26-foot cord and weighs roughly 16 pounds. It receives an excellent rating in both our pet hair and bare floors tests, but doesn't fare as well on carpet, though it's still pretty good. Our testers found that this vacuum handles well and is pretty easy to push, pull, and carry, but it's noisy compared with other upright vacuums. Shark uprights earned a very good score for predicted reliability and got one of the highest scores for owner satisfaction among upright vacuums, meaning CR members who own them are highly likely to recommend them. Number 8 is a bagged canister from Miele Complete C3 Marіn. Our top-performing canister vacuum, the Miele Complete C3 Marіn, earns perfect marks in almost every test we throw its way. It's a champ at bare floors and embedded pet hair, but also excels at capturing dust particles. Powerful airflow makes its attachments especially effective. It's also noticeably quieter than many models. It gets dinged a bit in our handling test, but that's true of most canister vacuums, which trail behind you at the end of the suction hose. At more than $1,000, it may suck up a big chunk out of your bank account, too. Miele canisters earn top scores for both predicted reliability and owner satisfaction. Suppose you're the weekend cleaner who likes to do it all at once or use the same machine for all flooring types. In that case, Denny Rutten of Rutten's Vacuum Center recommends Miele for both its cleaning ability and durability. He appreciates the ease of use and its filtration that removes 99.9% of dust and dirt through a HEPA air cleaner filter system. From the 6 different power settings to the ability to perform on a range of flooring, this vacuum gives entire homes a heavy-duty clean. Number 7 is a bagless canister. It's the Miele Blіzzard CX1 Cat and Dog. This bagless canister is on the pricey side for vacuums, but it's one of the best bagless canisters you can buy. It earns an excellent rating on our bare floors test, proving that it can suck up 5 grams of Maine Coon cat fur in no time flat. It's not so great when it comes to cleaning carpet. Canisters are better for bare floors. Allergy sufferers may appreciate that this vacuum also performs well in our emissions testing, releasing little debris back into the environment after sucking it up. Miele canisters earn top scores for both predicted reliability and owner satisfaction. For a deep cleaning machine that attacks carpet dust, allergens, pet hair, and ground-in dirt, check out this bagless upright vacuum with HEPA filtration, a 35-foot cord, and a convenient ball glide design. It's easy to maneuver, powerful, and comes with plenty of tool accessories to clean almost any surface, said Prudi. This is a great vacuum for anyone who has pets that shed or messy children. Number 6 is a corded stick vacuum, the Shark Apex UpLight Lіft-Awau DuoClеan LZ601. The corded Shark Apex UpLight Lіft-Awau DuoClеan LZ601 is a winner. It aces all our key cleaning tests, carpet, bare floors, and pet hair, and operates quietly and cleanly. It also cleans along the edges of walls without leaving any debris behind. This vacuum is self-standing, making it easy to store, and has a self-cleaning brush roll so you can avoid messy hair entanglements. It comes with several attachments that you can store on board. Shark corded stick vacuums earned an excellent score for both predicted reliability and owner satisfaction. This budget-friendly vacuum comes with a detachable canister and is both powerful and lightweight at 12.5 pounds. But more importantly, its anti-allergen technology traps over 99.99% of dust and allergens. It offers excellent allergy protection for an affordable price, added Prudy. It comes with a HEPA filter to clean the air and an anti-allergen seal around the dustbin to keep all the allergens you vacuum up inside. Number 5 is a cordless stick vacuum, Tineco Pure 1 S11. An all-around excellent performer, the feature-packed Tineco Pure 1 S11 boasts impressive cleaning ability, earning top marks in all our cleaning tests, including an excellent rating for pet hair. An LED panel on the top of the handle displays the power level and battery time remaining and alerts you if the vacuum experiences a clog. You can adjust the power settings by swiping up or down on the screen, and a dust sensor detects the amount of debris and adapts the suction power accordingly. It runs very quietly, and emissions are clean. 3 words sum up this cordless stick vacuum, according to Prudy: powerful, lightweight, and long-lasting. It has a runtime of up to 60 minutes on a single charge, and the time remaining is displayed on an LCD screen at the top, he said. It also comes with tools for cleaning almost any surface found in most homes. Number 4 is a robotic vacuum, the iRoBot Roombà S9 Plus. One of the latest iRoBot models to hit the market, the iRoBot Roombà S9 Plus is pricey, but it delivers. This vacuum earns top scores down the line in our performance tests, and it's the best of the best where edges and bare floors are concerned. This is also a self-emptying model that empties its dustbin into a dirt bag. No hands required. Like the iRoBot Roombà E5 and the iRoBot Roombà 960, the iRoBot Roombà S9 Plus earns a good rating for data privacy and a very good rating for data security. Number 3 is a handheld vacuum, the Shark Ion W1 WV201. Not all handheld vacuums can tackle pet hair with aplomb, but the Shark Ion W1 WV201 aces that task, earning an excellent rating. It's also a champ at cleaning bare floors and getting into hard-to-reach places, and it's not too shabby at cleaning carpet. The vacuum and all its attachments can be stored on the charging base, making it a real space saver. And at just 1.4 pounds, it's the lightest handheld vac in our tests. The only downside to its small size is the small dustbin, which may have to be emptied more than once if you have a sizable spill. If you're looking to invest in a long-lasting and powerful vacuum, this bagged canister with a HEPA air clean filter is Prudy's top pick. This is the Rolls-Royce of vacuums, he said. With hand-mounted controls, an ultra-quiet motor, and LED lighting on the canister, as well as the vacuum head, you'll be able to clean in style. Plus, there's a velvet bumper strip around the canister to avoid scuffing anything you may bump into, and an auto mode that automatically adjusts the power based on what floor type you're cleaning. Number 2 is Nilfisk's GM80 Lite. Nelson called this vacuum the Cadillac of HEPA vacuums. It's rated for abatement-level cleanups and can be used to clean up lead, mold, and asbestos, she said. With its compact size, this high-performance 13-pound canister is ideal for cleaning up everything from industrial to heavy-duty residential messes. Plus, the robust 4-stage filtration system ensures that exhausted air remains clean. Number 1 is Nilfisk's Aero 21 5-gallon professional wet-dry HEPA vac. Billings noted that this is her everyday household vacuum, and she has zero regrets, thanks to the HEPA filtration and how lightweight yet efficient it is. The added plus is that it dual functions as a wet vac, so water spills can be quickly sucked up, she said. Every household should have a wet vac on hand to facilitate quick cleanup of any water leaks, because mold can start to form on water-damaged building materials within 24 to 48 hours. We hope you enjoyed our video today. Comment down below about your favorite part. Also, why not hit the like button? And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we post a new video.